So today we are going to get started on the first wall. We didn't have time yesterday, and Jeremy caught whatever I had, and Sam's got a cold, and the cold and flu is going around. But we're going to attempt to get the first wall done, or at least started.
So we're just marking these at 5.5 because this is a 2x6 and it's really only 5.5 wide. So we're marking it 5.5, and then we're going to chalk our line. And then after we chalk our line, we're going to set that board on it and toenail it there. Then we'll build off that. So let's chalk it.
Down the line.
I doubt very much she had time to get rid of big old Mr. Kniff. Oh, look at that. The whole thing gone. Look. What's this crap? That's brute. Let's go this way. I've had this happen to a few of these ones. Hey?
Yeah.
So maybe
cheap pencils.
Don't buy Mastercraft pencils from Canadian Tire. Or this here happens on the regular. The lead comes out. Crap. Oh, hold that on there, right on that line. So, that's the outside.
The door?
Yeah. Like, and then there'll be, we'll build it up, you know what I mean? Like this is the header width. And then we'll have the jack posts on the next one. Or bug though. Yeah. So we're just doing it all 16 on center. So on this tape, they're all marked with the red square, like 48, 64, 80. And then to go on center, you just come back 3/4 of an inch. Anybody who doesn't do this stuff ever. Alright, over here we just do a California corner. Might be called something else as well, but that just gives you something when we raise the wall. and you butt the other wall up to it, gives you something to fasten your drywall or your pine boards, whatever, to. Alright, we got one wall framed up. Now we're just going to put a 7/16 OSB on it and raise it. So we're just using these long. Hey,
What?
Quiet. They're like a 3-inch nail. The only reason I'm using these is because we have a bunch of random other nails. So we just use what we got for certain things. So instead of buying nails, just gonna use these. So that's why we're using them. Before I go today, I wanted to say it's D-Day. Today's the 5th right now, but this video will be put up on the 6th of June. So D-Day, that's when they stormed the beaches, World War II, against the Nazis. So something to remember. I know that's something I think about, having been in the military and living in Canada, right? Because Canada was a part of that and all the allied nations there. So yeah, something to think about for today. Remember that, because that was a pretty important day. Thought I'd put that out there. Okay, so we got a wall up. It's a 8x16 wall. We just sheeted in that one side. Made it a little lighter for us to pick it up. Just two of us, and then I'll just cut these pieces here later and put the OSB on those spots. But we got one up, so that's good. Now we'll just do the front one and then this other side one here, and we'll be on our way, and the bugs are coming out. So I guess we'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Sometimes you might have to go back and hit the bell again. I don't know, because some people say it stops giving them notifications, but I don't know. So just something to think about. And also we have an Instagram account now. So we've only been, I guess, putting pictures up for a couple weeks right now, but you can get some pictures there too. Some stuff that you won't see here necessarily. And Facebook, we still have Facebook. Lots of folks on there. So that's awesome too. So go there if you want. And yeah, we got a wall. Pretty pumped. It's awesome. See ya. Have a good day.